Guys, it's a pleasure to showcase this really cool project for a customer that gives us the opportunity to work on his baby. This is an ongoing project for him, and this guy drove 1,300 miles for us to be able to work on his truck. It's a 2017 Dodge Ram, and here we got a glimpse of kind of like the middle of the road as far as the build is concerned. And let me kind of run the setup as we planned it out, as we designed it for him. So started off with a great foundation with the link swell. Plus this alone gives you a completely new customer experience. You know, I mean, at the end of the day, is how you communicate to your sound system. So we use the link swell as the foundation, but we complemented this, and this is kind of where the magic happens with the 31 band 10 channel DSP from Euphoria. So this is how we're gonna polish every single part of the sound system. We did E6 speakers in the front. This is DB Drive's sort of finest component. This is not just loud, but clean and loud. You know, definitely designed for the audiophile in mind. That's going to be complemented with the ES9s out in the back. We did the 3.5-inch mid-range drivers up on the dashboard, so he's going to have a beautiful image of the sound. And we got 10 channels of amplification. So we did two A7 125s. These are that classic technology, Class AB. I mean, if for the audiophiles that are looking at this or seeing it, you know how clean the Class AB signal comes from. So that's going to make those mids and highs come alive. And what we're known for, right? You gotta have the boom, the big boom. So we got a G7 3500 and two 10-inch G5s. Where is this gonna fit, you ask? Yeah, so we had the challenge of the space, right? So these Dodge Rams have absolutely no space. We've been fighting with this truck ever since they came out with the design. So sneak peek, we're still not done with it yet. Check it out. We built this beautiful center console. We're in the middle of it. We already CNC'd his brand logo on it. So these guys are gonna be mounted in here in each side, right? So it's gonna be plexiglass with LED lighting. That's gonna look beautiful. This design cue right here was kind of copied from some of the elements that the truck has. So we had the vision of the front grille with the side sports bar. So, you know, these are the little things that nobody's going to pay attention to it until it comes together, you know? So we kind of copied the grille design that's both on the side of the truck and in the front of the truck, to kind of bring that into the interior. The two subwoofers are down firing with the port towards the front, and we'll show you some of the inside pictures of it. And this is our 31 band DSP that's gonna allow us to fine tune, to really squeeze every juice of performance out of the speakers with sound quality at the top of the line, you know? So 3.5-inch mid drivers up on the dash, ES9 tweeters here. He already had this pod sort of built out, so 3.5-inch drivers on the dashboard, ES9 tweeters up on the front, E6 drivers in the doors, ES9 speakers in the back. And we took this whole cabinet apart, and every single nook, you know, every single square inch of this thing is got Buzzmet. So we are eliminating all of the rattles out of the everything that makes the sound system sound crummy, right? So we're gonna have a precise, clean definition of the mid-bass response from the front doors, the rear doors. We're not gonna get any of the rattling that comes from the subwoofers facing down. and we're gonna make it sound amazing, look beautiful. Again, A7 drivers, A7 amplifiers to amplify the mids and the highs, and the big monster G7 3500 to amplify the big subs. And you know, we're about done with the little details. Check it out, check it out. So, and you'll see it once it's all said and done. So maybe I shouldn't even showing you this. So this is what's going to go on top of the console. It's going to have stainless steel cups. We did the leather, by the way. We did heated seats because she's actually from Iowa. So not something that we have to worry about in South Texas much. But cold weather is definitely a thing over there. So we added heated seats. We added the leather. This is going to be the USB ports for the Linkswell radio. And this little contraption here is going to be complemented by this little tapita. And wait till you see what we came up with here. So this is going to come out super nice. This is going to be a little space you can put your wallet, your cell phone in there. So guys, really cool project. And really amazing truck, and just, you know, really thankful the customer gave us the opportunity to work on his baby. And once it's done, we'll show you how it finishes. So what the result is. So check it out and keep tuning to the result. So